We say goodbye to Denmark and board the ferry to Sweden. It was smooth sailing all the way to Gothenburg, but things soon took a turn for the worse as we ran into our first major problem with the van that needed urgent repair. Find out later in the video if Lady Luck was on our side. Oh no! Bom dia, good morning. It's another very sunny day in Denmark. Our last few hours in Denmark before we head to the ferry across to Gothenburg. So right now we've just been chilling this morning, taking it easy, packing up, made a lunch for the ferry. Yeah, we're all set, ready to go. We're just gonna stretch our legs one last time before we drive down to the port. Maybe we'll find time to visit a little second-hand shop before we say goodbye to Denmark, but Denmark has been awesome, but we're excited for Sweden/Norway and then heading down to Bornholm later in the summer. But for now, let's get ready to go and hit the road.
Off we go to the ferry. The ferry is this way, E45 it says as well.
Just checked into the ferry. Very easy. Bit of a wait because some guy in front of us looked like the woman forgot her ID and she just walked off, stormed off out of the car. And then they got sent out. Oh dear. They missed their ferry, some Norwegian people. Yeah, just had to put a little gas sticker thing on our gas bottle, and now I'm just putting our rubbish in the bin that's here. And then we'll have a little look around at all the boats.
Oh, we're on the move, slowly. About to board the ferry.
I'm excited.
Sweden!
I'm a bit anxious about Sweden though. After looking on Park for Night, I'm like, oh, I don't know. It's gonna be more paid spots, I think, which we don't really like paid spots, but hey, if we have to, we have to. But the boat ride's gonna be fun and the scenery's gonna be beautiful. The mosquitoes are gonna be annoying, but the lakes are gonna be incredible. So,
oh well.
Sweden.
It'll be fun either way.
I'm sure it'll be amazing.
There's so many lorries going onto this this boat.
There's cars going in up there.
Oh yeah, and motorhomes, look. They're getting the fast route. We're going in the trucker's way. Oh, we're going onto the boat now, boys. I wonder which way we're gonna go. With the car,
Which
I
way
reckon.
are you sending us, bruv?
I reckon with the car. We're going down here, right by the trucks. Oh my gosh. Nicely done, sir. Hello.
Hey, we on the ferry, Wilfie? Yeah, you're a bit tired, aren't you, mate? It's all right. We're on a boat now. What country will we go to now?
Sweden. What's this
Sweden.
for? Ladder.
What are we doing then, Laurie?
Going to the fine stuff.
What do we need to find on the boat?
Shop.
The shop, and what else?
I want Lego. I want Lego. More.
This kid is a Lego addict. Right, let's see if we can find this shop and the kids area. Do this later. You got to leave your shoes though. Look.
Yeah, this is later.
Uh-huh.
Don't use the good stuff first, Tom.
No.
Don't use
This is cool though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wilfie might like this. It is packed on this ferry. So busy. Let's go sit with Roz.
Everything was Lego minifig series.
Let's go check out the sun deck, baby. Oh yeah, and also check out my charity shop hoodie. £3 I think this worked out as. Anyway, let's check out this view. Yo, this is sick.
No,
That's my house, mate.
My house. My house.
You live out there, do you?
Yeah.
Is that your house?
Yeah.
You live in Sweden now, do you? Wilfie, where are we? What's that over there? What country? It's Sweden, mate. We've made it to Sweden, almost.
So bold. There's a lion on it.
In behind the truckers because they all know exactly where to go.
There's no one actually directing. Ooh.
This guy's going first. Look at this classic. Well, Laurie, look out your window. Look out. You got it.
That is cool. Oh, it's those people. I remember seeing them on the boat. We're in Sweden. Saying coins, so is this going to be toll this way?
Yeah, it is. We are off the ferry and we are on Swedish soil. Feels good. Bit sketchy getting out of Gothenburg. Don't really like cities or traffic, especially when I've never been there before. Google Maps is saying 57 minutes to this random spot that I found. I might change it in a minute though, we'll see. Yeah, excited to be in Sweden. Let's see what it's got to offer. Hey from sunny Sweden. I'm squinting because it's like very bright sun. We've just made it to this little town. Not going to even try and pronounce it, but we're kind of by a lake, as you always are in Sweden. This is where we parked. I think you're only supposed to park over here where these guys are, but there's a few of us this side. It's kind of in a town. It's a bit noisy, but I'm pretty sure it'll be quiet at night. And guess what we found though? A park just over there. It's like a little playground, so something for the boys to do, but this was just kind of our get out of Gothenburg and start heading north into the beautiful landscape. And wow, what a beautiful landscape it is. I mean, no offense Denmark, but you got nothing on Sweden in terms of looks. Obviously Norway's probably going to trump Sweden, so yeah, we're already blown away by the landscape. And yeah, just we love all the houses here, they're just so cool. So for now, I think we're all pretty tired after the long ferry drive. We're going to have some probably porridge for dinner, just a real quiet, chill evening, and hit the hay early to start heading further north tomorrow. Where that is, still don't know. Find out tomorrow. So another day has gone by. Yesterday was really stressy. I'm covered in oil. I've got a screwdriver in my hand because we've had a bit more of a problem with the van. The squeak did not go away, did it, Laurie? So what have we been doing all the way across Sweden?
Going to a scrapyard to get some parts.
What have we got here?
Is it an alternator?
It is a new alternator because you might not hear it because Wilfie's a bit noisy right now, but this alternator, you can just hear it go eek, 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 eek.
Tom?
Has got a problem.
Light?
Oh, careful. So what we've done, we'll start off, we've disconnected the batteries in the van, we've taken off the drive belt here, and I've loosened up this thing, and now we've got to take the alternator off, but firstly we're going to take the headlight off so we've got more room, and Laurie is my little assistant.
So I did do a bit of wobbling.
Yeah, and we're going to disconnect little connector. Now I'm going to put this in front of Mummy's seat so we don't smash it.
Looks weird.
But now look in there. There's our alternator. This is the moment of truth. We've got to crack the 3 bolts on the alternator. So if these are going to be a pain, then this job's going to be horrible. If we can just crack all these nice and easy, oh, it's going to be smooth sailing. Right, let's see how we get on with the top one. Right, that's one cracked. And that's 2 cracked. Last one, come on. Oh, it's a bit more stiff. We are cracked.
Nice.
Oh yes, Laurie, that's the hardest bit of the job, that. And once I've got these 3 bolts out, well, I'm going to take out the top bolt and the front bolt, and then we're going to lean the alternator forward so that we can
take it out?
No, so that we can disconnect the electrical connections on the back. So let's take out these 2 bolts a minute. Top bolt, look at this big boy.
Oh gee, he's big.
That's 1. Right, let's get on this bottom one here. Oh, there it is.
Yay!
Right.
Last one.
Aha, there's our first electrical connector. There he comes off. That one's off. Now there should be one more, but I can't really see it. So we're just trying to get the little nut off the back of the alternator with the power strap on it. It's just a bit fiddly to get to, so I'm going to try an extension bar around the back and see if I can get to it, but it's all right. It's just there's not much room to get to it. Right, I think I can go and twiddle that off from underneath now so I don't drop it. Cool. Right, let's get this big strap off. There we go.
Nearly, I think. You're probably nearly there. Bit more twiddling then they're off. It's off. Please, come on. Come on.
Alright, down she goes.
Nice.
Carefully. Annoyingly, there wasn't much difference in the alternators after having them out, but fingers crossed the squeak is gone from doing this. We can only hope. The alternator is very old, probably the original, and we got it for a really good price, cheaper than we would have got in Portugal, weirdly. I'm just going to sand and clean up the little electrical connector and then finish off putting the new one in. So let's cross our fingers and hope that it gets rid of our squeak, because oh man, it's so annoying. All the way across Sweden. It's all in, it looks really shiny. The belt's back on. We've just got to put the headlight in, reconnect the batteries, and then just cross your fingers that it doesn't squeak.
Dirty diesel.
Got no squeak. Oh no, we have a little squeak. No! It's the tensioner. Ah, the belt doesn't. Oh no. So you would have just seen us cheering because it wasn't squeaking. But let me tell you, that was shortly followed by me basically crying, because I soon realised that the pulley was only a 5 or for a 6 ribbed pulley. Basically, it didn't fit our belt. So I quickly turned the engine off, took it off, put the old one back on, went back into the scrapyard just over there. And then the guy's like, don't worry, we're going to see if we've got another one. So I get it, looks good, bring it out. Put it on, but the electrical connectors on the back don't fit. So I was like, oh my God, I'm not putting it on again. So I took the old one in, and he's like, let me see if I've got something that matches exactly your one. And he's like, we've got one left, let's see if it's actually there. And then 5 minutes later, this girl comes out with it, and I was like, oh my God. We checked them side by side, identical. I was like, yes, everything was already off. So all I had to do was put the 3 bolts on, connect it back up. So here it is. The exact copy of our alternator. It's brand new. And now let's start it up. Let's see if it's gonna squeak again. It better not. It shouldn't do because the pulley inside of our old alternator was knackered. Here we go. Slight little rattle, but it isn't chirping like a bird anymore. Let's give it a few revs and nothing. Ah, yes. We got no battery light, so it's charging. I haven't checked to see if the split charge is working to charge our leisure batteries, but it's all good. I don't even know what time it is. I've been here way too long. I've technically changed the alternator 3 times today. So for now, I'm so hungry, I'm tired, I've had enough. My emotions have been up and down and it's just been crazy. So I'm gonna move away from this car park with bins, gonna move away from this scrapyard, and I think we got about a 40-minute drive to get to somewhere that looks quite nice. So yeah, let's hit the road and we'll see you guys in a bit. Wow, what a mission. Should we go this way then? Do you want to go higher? Is that okay? More? Yeah. You're going high. Ooh. Is it fun, Wilf? You can do the slide, mate? No, don't push him. Ooh. Hey! I'm coming. Watch out! Whoa! Backwards, beep beep. Oh, hey. Well done. Where are you going now? Where's Laurie? Oh look, he's up there. Oh, the sun is like blinding me.
Go on, you're nearly there. Go on.
Oh, there goes my phone. Good job the screen's already broke, eh? Hey.
It's right, this cool little spot where it's got water, but Tom's having to go and get the water from the 5-litre bottles, and this is how we're filling it out with the old funnel. And I'm holding it here and Tom's pouring it in. If I can do this.
Living the dream, we are. Living the dream.
This is what dreams are made of. I just had a little giggle a minute ago when Tom was filling it out, like, this is what we're doing, this is our life. This is life.
This is life now. This is what it's come down to. What a crazy, crazy day, but what a nice spot to finish up. Check this out.
Hi.
Hey, I heard something behind me then. Roz and Laurie are just playing drafts. Wilfred's asleep. We're trying to be quiet. Yeah, what a long one, what a crazy one. We went to this other spot where I did a little bit of filming of this little park, but we didn't think it was a good spot to sleep because, yeah, there's loads of cars going in and out of this car park. It did have free electric though, which was pretty cool. But we just drove half an hour further on to find this little lake park up, and yeah, super glad we came here. Wilfie's had a play in the sand, tired him out before bed. Unfortunately though, it's going to rain because it would be nice to stay here tomorrow and have a swim, but hey ho. And a kayak, yeah. Not sure what we're going to do tomorrow, but who knows. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this crazy day. So happy the alternator's done. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one.